In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Mazda 6 with the 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. Let's get started. Remove your engine cover, just simply pry up. It's got 2 clips in the front and 2 in the back. I'm only going to show you one at this point because the procedure is exactly the same for all of them. To start, you want to unplug it. You can either press on this tab or use a pocket screwdriver to help you out. Pull back on the connector and disconnect it. With an 8mm socket, remove this bolt that holds the ignition coil down onto the valve cover. With that bolt removed, you can now pull straight up and remove your ignition coil. Take your new ignition coil, slide it straight down, and make sure it clips over that spark plug. And now you can reinstall your mounting bolt, snug it up. Don't make it too tight though. The torque for these is 85 inch-pounds. If you don't have something that'll torque that low, just make it nice and snug by hand. Give it about 1/8 of a turn, or at most a quarter after it bottoms out. At this point, we can reconnect the electrical connector, make sure it clicks, and repeat the procedure 3 more times. Let's get the cover back on. Make sure it snaps onto all 4 sides. Now that you have everything replaced, make sure it runs well. There you go, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.